Are you feeling overwhelmed by the home buying process? You're not alone. It's one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. Let our experienced team guide you through the process with ease. Navigating the mortgage process doesn't have to be confusing. We provide a clear roadmap from application to closing. You'll discover what documents you need, where to get them, and who to talk to. Step 1. Application and pre-approval. Complete it online or call us. It takes just 20 minutes, completely free of charge. Next, gather your supporting documentation. We'll help you understand what you need for a robust application. Then, you'll get pre-approved. This gives you a competitive edge and tells sellers you're serious. You'll know your budget and the best rates based on your credit. Once your offer is accepted, we lock in your rate and finalize your loan options. This ensures you close on time every time. When all documents are ready, we handle the closing process. You'll sign, transfer funds, and receive your keys. It's as simple as that. Our unique selling point? We put you first. Our commitment is to find you the best loan possible at competitive rates. Don't leave your home buying journey to chance. Start with us today. Contact us to get started and turn your home ownership dreams into reality.